Matthew chapter 5, verses 1 to 12. The Sermon on the Mount. Jesus saw the crowds and went up a hill where he sat down. His disciples gathered round him and he began to teach them true happiness. Happy are those who know they are spiritually poor. The kingdom of heaven belongs to them. Happy are those who mourn. God will comfort them. Happy are those who are humble. They will receive what God has promised. Happy are those whose greatest desire is to do what God requires. God will satisfy them fully. Happy are those who are merciful to others. God will be merciful to them. Happy are the pure in heart. They will see God. Happy are those who work for peace. God will call them His children. Happy are those who are persecuted because they do what God requires. The kingdom of heaven belongs to them. Happy are you when people insult you and persecute you and tell all kinds of evil lies against you, because you are my followers. Be happy and glad, for a great reward is kept for you in heaven. This is how the prophets who lived before you were persecuted. Matthew chapter 5, verses 1 to 12. दोंगरा वयलो प्रसंग. लोकांसमोर पळयव जेजू दोंगरार चडलो. थंय तो बसून आसता ताचे शीस ताचे सरशी आयले. तवळ तांचे लागीं उलोवन हे परी तो शिकोवंक लागलो. 8 भागी. आपूण दुर्बळे म्हूण जाणा आसा ती कितली भागी. सर्गीचे राज तांचे. रुदान करता ती कितली भागी. देव तांकां बुजयतलो. सादी बोळी कितली भागी. पृथ्वी जातली तांचे दायज. देवाची खुशी करूंक भुकेतात आनी ताणेतात ती कितली भागी. ती दादुशी जातली. दया दाखयता ती कितली भागी. तांकां दया मेळटली. नितळ मनाची कितली भागी. देव तांकां पळोवंक मेळटलो. समाधान हाडूंक वावुरता ती कितली भागी. तांकां देवाची भुरगीं म्हणटले. निती पासत दगदणी भोगता ती कितली भागी. सर्गीचे राज तांचे. मुजे पासत तुमकां अपमान सोसूंक, दगदणी भोगोवंक आनी सर तरांची घडपाकर तुमचेर आड उलयतात तें आयकूंक मेळत जाल्यार तुमी कितली भागी. संतोष आनी उल्हास पावा, कित्याक सर्गा राज्यांत येतेश्ट प्रतिफळ तुमकां तयार आसा. तुमचे आदीं आसल्या प्रवाद्यांकी तांणी आशेंच दगदिल्यात. आमेन.